Wording of the agreement to his unique position, because he was the boss. And they talk about terms of impropriety here. It would be just the opposite. That's right. Now there's a $3 million.
Yeah, that's exactly the $3 million.
That's fine.
And let them do it.
I got Bob's number.
I'll put it to Angelo for food. If you ever got what this Mr. Buono, go ahead and try
I thought he was supposed to be back this week. Now he's delayed like 3 days. They told me. Well, I've got the number. No, why don't you just stay there?
Oh, Charlene.
Morning, Ken. Morning.
Morning.
How you doing? I talked to your mom last week for a while. She sounds like she's doing better health-wise than she was.
Keeping busy. That's it for her. She volunteers.
Yeah, she's doing a good job of that, from what I understand.
She's really hooked on it. You know, she spends about 40 hours a week now.
I could hear her giving orders over the phone.
Yeah, that's good for her. Plus, you know, all that she's taken with media and everything, she had a real low self-esteem here for the longest time, and now she's back feeling better about herself and everything.
Feeling all right. I was last month. Shit, I couldn't. I have to.
Did you have your flu shot this year?
No, I couldn't take it, but I don't.
How would they handle it?
Yeah.
Hello, Charlotte.
had his foot amputated on one foot, part of his foot on the other. He's still in the hospital. It's one of the deals where probably not going to walk on it. And we end up having to have his legs down.
What's he doing?
Up and down. I kind of doubt that he's going to be able to recover from it because it's hard to resist on this to walk on. Yeah, it's very painful too. The part of the problem is he could probably endure being incapacitated. It's a tremendous amount of pain. It's constant.
Everyone rise, please, face the flag. In the presence of the flag of the United States, emblem of the Constitution, and of freedom and justice for all, Department 123 of the Superior Court of the State of California for the County of Los Angeles is now in session. The Honorable Ronald M. George, Judge presiding. Please be seated and come to order.
The matter is here for 4 proceedings today in the case of People versus Angelo Buono and Kenneth Bianchi. First, and in this order, we will proceed with the motion for new trial, and thereafter with the district attorney's motion regarding various counts which remain as to Mr. Buono, a motion to dismiss counts 1 through 11 of the information as originally numbered. Thereafter, with the district attorney's motion to vacate the order of this court preventing the removal of Kenneth Bianchi from Los Angeles County Jail to the state of Washington. And finally, in the event the motion for new trial is denied as to Mr. Buono, with the sentencing of Mr. Buono. The record will reflect the following appearances. Mr. Buono is present with both of his attorneys, Mr. Chaliff and Mrs. Mader, and Mr. Bianchi is present with his attorney, Mr. Wilbur Littlefield, public defender. The district attorney, Mr. Filibosian, is present on behalf of that office, and Deputy Attorney General Bourne and Deputy Attorney General Nash are here with reference to the people's position as to Mr. Buono. We'll proceed first with the motion for new trial. The court has received this morning an amended notice of motion for new trial, which in some technical respects replaces certain of the affidavits which were attached to the original motion for new trial. The court has read and considered the notice motion amendment filed this morning, as well as the original motion for new trial pursuant to Penal Code Section 1181, subdivisions 2 and 3, along with the opposition filed by the Attorney General's office. That opposition having been filed today, but I understand having been served upon defense counsel, was it last Saturday?
On Saturday, Your Honor.
All right. And, of course, I am, with reference to that motion for new trial, taking judicial notice of all of the prior proceedings in this matter. We'll proceed to have you, Mr. Chaliff or Mrs. Mader, supplement the written material which you have filed on your motion for new trial. And I would note that we have basically one issue or a category of issues that is raised by way of the motion for new trial, and that is questions relating to the manner in which the jurors arrived at their verdicts and conducted their deliberations. Now, this motion, of course, goes to the counts in which Mr. Buono was convicted, which involve counts 13 through 21 of the information as originally numbered. You may proceed, Mrs. Mader.
Thank you. As the court is aware, we have alleged that there was jury misconduct in this case based on a number of fairly specific examples in which we feel caused a situation to occur in which Mr. Buono was denied his right to have the verdict decided upon by 12 totally unbiased and impartial jurors. And as a result was denied his right to a fair trial. What I would like to do is just focus on two of the main categories of juror misconduct that we addressed in our affidavits and our motion, and submit the rest. Also, I would pretty much be responding to what was written in the motion that was prepared by the Attorney General's office and served on us on Saturday. The first issue is one in which one of the jurors, during the pendency of the trial, had a conversation with another friend of hers outside the trial, who reported to her that she knew somebody, the friend knew somebody, who was possibly abducted or attempted to be abducted by an individual, and then when Mr. Buono was arrested, she thought that the individual might have been Angelo Buono. This information was possessed by the first juror and transmitted to a second juror during the pendency of the trial. The second juror, who had this information, then transmitted the information to two different alternate jurors who signed affidavits. Actually, everybody involved in this has written affidavits, and there seems to be no question, in fact, that the incident did occur, and that a conversation did take place where the first juror was told of something regarding somebody abducting or attempting to abduct a friend looking like Angelo Buono. Now, the first juror says that she discounted this information because she didn't think it was possibly accurate, and she didn't report the information to the court when she received the information. And the question that I would ask, well, I have a number of questions, but one of them is that if in fact she really thought that this information had no value and no substance, I would question why she would think enough of it to transmit it to the second juror.